We recognize that returning the child to our nursery can cause anxiety, and we want to provide you with clear understanding of our modified practices and procedures. We have strictly followed the guidelines of the authorities in UAE, and we have adapted our environment to implement the highest procedures of hygiene and sanitization practices. Some of this practice in place, we are asking one of the family members to wait in the pickup and drop-off area while our nurse completes the screening process. We continue to take the temperature for the child of every individual upon arrival in the outdoor building. We are asking one of our bubble members to take the children to the indoor area in the building to minimize any further contact from outside the center after sanitizing their belongings and taking off their shoes. We also clearly have posters for social distancing in place to ensure that every individual clearly understands the idea of social distancing measures. Cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting takes place continuously. In line with this, we have introduced our bubble system. Each age group will be allocated a color based on his group. Educators are required to wear personal protection equipment to reduce the risk of contagion and transfer for the safety of both children and educators. 2 tubs have been placed in each area in the nursery, with clear labeled to separate the clean and dirty used toys. Lidded bins have been placed in all classrooms, marked for general and biomedical waste. When children are sleeping, we are maintaining a 1.5 meter of distance and try to name the bed spaced apart in line with the guidelines, and alternating head up foot, top and tail systems, so more distancing. Tables and chairs are effectively cleaned as per healthcare regulations and guidelines. We also have implemented a higher level of hygiene practices with the children. Age-appropriate lesson plans help our children understand their new world and their need to stay distant from their peers. We continue to work and play in small groups, using fun ways to teach physical distancing in the outdoor environments. Some of our sensory areas, like water and sand tables, and some sandboxes remain closed during this time. However, we have some practices to provide children with an opportunity for sensorial play by using individually marked materials that are sanitized or discarded after each use. Some things may look different moving forward, but some things will never change. Above all, the quality of care that you will come to expect from us. Our nursery director is always available to answer any questions you may have. We cannot wait to hear more laughter in our classrooms. Welcome back.